infinite supreme peace to all the divine souls. In the previous videos, we talked about Bhulok, Earth, Bhuvarlok, Swarglok, Heaven, and now we are above this Maharloka. Maharloka is part of the seven higher planetary system or Urdhvalokas situated above Dhruvaloka Polestar at a distance of 1 crore yojanas. 1 yojan equal to 4 miles or 10 million leagues above the Polestar. This loka is inhabited by saints, rishis, and spiritual souls who live and meditate together in their groups. Mahaloka can also be described as the realm which lies between the middle three worlds and the upper worlds. It is a higher planetary realm composed of the three subtle elements such as the air element, ether element, and fire element. The atmosphere of Mahaloka is purer than a Swargloka. There are numerous layers of creation inside Mahaloka as well as differences in time scale. In these layers, the souls in Mahaloka have a fine subtle body. Many souls from various solar systems and galaxies reside in this world. The souls meditate earnestly in Maharloka to go to the higher realms, as there are no bodily attractions or body consciousness. Male and female souls remain on friendly terms and meditate together by remaining in soul consciousness. At the time of Kalpa Pralaya, these inhabitants become aware of the impending cosmic event and immediately move to Janloka, which is the next higher loka above Maharloka. Maharloka does not get destroyed but is affected by the annihilation of the three worlds of Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, and Swargloka. During this cosmic event, during the process of destruction of three lower worlds like Bhulok, Bhuvarlok, and Swargloka, the intense fire elements also spread up to Maharloka. So, forcing souls in Mahaloka to move up into higher layers of creation. Unlike the deities of Swargloka, the souls here are not inclined towards enjoyments and they are spiritually knowledgeable and great souls. These enlightened beings are well aware of the temporal nature of the sensory pleasures of Swargloka and they know that the attractions of heaven will lead to the downfall of their soul. Janaloka. Janaloka is situated above Mahaloka at an expanse of 2 crore yojan or 20 million leagues. Above Dhruvaloka lies the lower of the higher planetary spheres of Urdhvalokas known as Janloka. This celestial realm is the abode of renowned saints and sages. The word Jan means pupil. There is a great number of souls who inhabit this sphere. Therefore, it is called Janaloka. The noble souls in this loka lead life of a householder, similar to that of life on earth and creation. Having children also takes place. However, there is no aspect of enjoyment in these dimensions or even in creation. The souls are not indulged in any form of desires. Here, souls practice meditation, sadhana, and dedicate themselves to the pursuits of soul consciousness and God realization, and there we go to the higher dimensions. In Janloka, there are multitudes of souls belonging to different religions, sects, spiritual paths, and doctrines, etc. The great spiritual leader or saints reside here and for the sake of upliftment of mankind, they come down on earth and incarnate in as an avatar. It's interesting to know that inside Janloka also there are various layers of creation. Here one can find many temples, churches, mosques, and many other religions institutions in subtle form according to various religious and spiritual dogmas of different types of souls residing in this loka. The natural beauty of the landscape here is similar to that on earth. There are villages, cities, hills, and rivers, etc. But all are in subtle form, made of three elements only. The ambience and purity of atmosphere in Janloka inspires many souls to reside in this realm of creation. Even though some of those souls residing in Janloka possess knowledge of different solar systems or of galaxies, universes, etc. Here, atmosphere is much lighter and purer as compared to Earth, so soul feels comfortable to stay in this realm of creation. A day in Janloka is equivalent to 100 years on Earth. The lifespan of this divine realm is one ultimate great dissolution of this solar system, known as Mahakalpa Pralay. The souls who inhabit this realm are religious and peaceful in nature. They pray to their favorite deity, gods, such as Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, or Shakti goddesses, etc. However, mostly they worship Ma Shakti, founding fathers of different religions, various spiritual masters, gurus, and sages, rishis, all reside in Janloka. They render help and assistance to the followers of their religion or spiritual doctrine on earth, as well as they are also engaged in expanding their established religion or spiritual doctrine on earth from this dimension of creation. Thank you, Infinite Supreme Peace, to all the divine souls. Infinite Supreme Knowledge by Bapuji Dashrath Bhai Patel, our great grandfather.